They're coming.
Good morning. Thank you all for waiting. We have taken on board all of the feedback from the award-winning Pearl 72 and made a number of significant changes to create something truly special. We've introduced a new Riviera-style aft deck with fold-down balconies opening the space to the sea like never before. The main deck layout now brings the galley aft, creating a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor living. The exterior design has been considerably refreshed. Modern, sleek, sporty, unmistakably Pearl. Inside, Kelly Hoppen's new monochrome design scheme introduces a bold, timeless sophistication. However, as with every Pearl yacht, customers can choose between 4 different Kelly Hoppen interior styles according to their personal taste. Across every detail, helm stations, wet bars, tables, and much more, every element has been refined for a perfect balance between design and comfort.
Thank you for that, Mr. Freddie. I think we can all agree these are brilliant additions. Just one question. Which of the features from the Pearl 72 have been kept?
Four ensuite guest cabins, plus crew accommodation. A forward master with a private entrance. A full beam midship second master suite. Tender and jet ski garage to host a Williams 345 and Sea-Doo Spark. Hardtop with tilt and slide sunroof. And a comprehensive 5-year warranty that comes with all new Pearl yachts.
Owners may also choose the standard MAN V12 engine with 1400 horsepower, or the optional MAN with 1550 horsepower. Both configurations ensure a smooth, efficient cruise up to 32 knots. In short, the Pearl 73 is everything you loved about the stunning 72, only better.